This is a demonstration of the GaleForce software from Gale Technologies, showing how to build and manage a converged infrastructure for on-premise and hybrid clouds, using GaleForce automation and self-service provisioning. First, what is GaleForce and what does it do? GaleForce software is a powerful, yet very flexible and extensible automation and orchestration product that enables you to build a converged infrastructure from generic or heterogeneous IT resources, including compute, storage, and networking elements, both physical and virtual. To build an on-premise cloud using this converged infrastructure with end-to-end provisioning. To publish and deliver the on-premise cloud to end users for self-service access, using an infrastructure as a service model and the customizable GaleForce web portal. And it lets you connect or burst into your choice of public clouds from your on-premise cloud to create a seamless hybrid cloud. I begin with the GaleForce Control Center, the client interface for the administrator and IT architect, where I can manage the physical and virtual resources in the environment and design the converged infrastructure that will be published for end users. GaleForce supports the building of converged infrastructure from a variety of generic storage, network, compute, and virtualization vendors. It also supports access, edge, and security elements, and even public cloud provisioning. As an IT architect, to build a converged infrastructure from existing heterogeneous resources in my data center, I select the resources and drag them onto the palette. I can specify the server type, the networking connections, and the storage requirements for a complete end-to-end environment. Once I have built my converged infrastructure, I can save it as a template and make it available to build an on-premise cloud. Here is the finished template. In order for me to build a complete on-premise cloud for application workloads, I can specify predefined service levels, such as Gold, Silver, and Bronze. And I can specify the hypervisor, the operating system or boot image, and the virtual machines that contain the applications or application stacks. I can use the orchestration capability of GaleForce for more complex applications and for fine-grained control of the provisioning workflows, everything from power sequencing to detailed infrastructure and service configurations. GaleForce Orchestrator allows the architect to edit the pre-built turnkey workflows inside the on-premise cloud, or to create new custom workflows. Orchestration, together with the plug-in framework for the automation resource adapters, makes GaleForce a very powerful yet flexible and extensible solution to build converged infrastructure from your existing heterogeneous physical and virtual resources and to build an on-premise cloud. Now, to publish our service level template as a workload to be used in our on-premise cloud, we save it and assign permission to users or groups. This makes it available for end users to view, select, and schedule it from the GaleForce self-service web portal. The new template is now available for use in the private on-premise cloud. The GaleForce web portal is the client interface and self-service catalog for end users to select, schedule, and reserve workloads that have been designed and published by the architect to be used in the on-premise cloud. This portal can be customized and branded to your own company's identity. A reservation is a commitment that the resources will be available and that they will be automatically and dynamically provisioned exactly when committed. This will allow the IT architect to dynamically plan capacity and availability of resources similar to that of public clouds like Amazon. I can view descriptions and diagrams of the workload, and I can select a workload to schedule it for the duration I need, starting now or at a specified time in the future. Recurring reservations are supported, as our permanent production workloads. The scheduler checks for availability of resources and capacity for the time needed, and provides a confirmation to commit and reserve the resources. After scheduling, the system takes me to the session dashboard, where I can access the workloads as soon as they are running. To access the live resources, simply join the session through the web portal, or through an automatically generated email link. The automation and orchestration system has dynamically provisioned and verified the complete end-to-end environment. Through the portal, I have access to all the management consoles for the compute, network, and storage elements, and all the application interfaces that have been configured by the architect for end users. We have seen how GaleForce is used to design, build, and provision the complete end-to-end infrastructure for private on-premise clouds. But GaleForce can just as easily provision public cloud resources, such as Amazon, Rackspace, or vCloud-powered clouds. And with its advanced networking capabilities, it can build dynamic hybrid clouds. In this example, I've configured several VMs on my private cloud infrastructure, but I've added a secure VPN tunnel to the Amazon EC2 public cloud, seamlessly linking both the private and public cloud resources. This gives me great flexibility as an administrator, yet to the end user, the source of the resources is completely transparent. In this demonstration, we have seen how GaleForce allows you to build converged infrastructure from generic compute, storage, networking, and virtual resources. How to build an on-premise cloud using the converged infrastructure. How to publish your on-premise cloud to the user community, thereby delivering infrastructure as a service. And how to connect your on-premise cloud to the public cloud to create a seamless hybrid cloud.